Well, as you can see, making some progress on the cabin build, the greenhouse cabin build. I actually had a person at my church had some plastic for a greenhouse, and it was just 5 feet short. So what I did is the wood is going to come up 4 feet on each side. That'll give me plenty of overlap. There's the dog rolling around over there if you don't hear him. But the plan is I'm almost done. Had a nice day today, but I've got to go back in here shortly. But this is about what I'm going to have updated so far. Hopefully by the end of this week, I'll have this thing covered and have the ends closed in on it, and we'll start on the floor. So at least I'll cover it, do the floor, then maybe close the ends in. I haven't decided. But I got plenty of pallets. I'll show you here in a minute. I've got some plywood that I got on discount that I'll talk about here in a minute. And basically, the goal with this is to get the floor in, get the front and end done, and then we will be ready to start figuring out how we're going to equip this and have this ready for an emergency. And I also plan on putting the repeater system up here. So as soon as this is done, that repeater system update will be there. So I may do a quick update on that. But so just to show you, I went with a friend to the hardware store, and he had to pick up some things, and he pointed out that they have a limb section for their wood. So I noticed that, you know, it's still not that bad. It's particle board. This stuff was super cheap. I'm talking like most of these were $5 a sheet. So I could not pass that up. Also picked up a bunch of pallets. My plan for the floor of the greenhouse cabin, I'm going to put pallets down, get them all interconnected, get it to where the floor is level, and then I'm going to place the plywood on top, and they're going to have plywood floors. So that's the plan. We'll see what we can figure out with that. So stay tuned. Just wanted to add that to my video here. So as always, God bless, like, subscribe.